how to accept online payments on Wix for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So after opening up your Wix account, just open up the website or the sites option at the left hand side panel. You will be able to find it. And over here, open up your website or site and click on this option of edit site. It is basically the website editor on Wix. So open up your editor on Wix and wait for it to load. And after it opens up, you will be able to find this option of add elements at the left hand side panel. Just click on it. And now click on this option of search. After that, you need to search for PayPal and wait for it to load. Then you will be able to find the option of PayPal button under apps for your site. Just simply open it up, wait for it to load, and now you will be able to find this option of add to site. It is a free plan and you just have to click on add to site. After that, you will have to click on this option of add, agree and add. Just simply click on it and wait for it to load. And now it will come over here. You just have to edit its location. You can add it anywhere on your website. Just add it according to your website or preference or design. After that, click on the option of settings. You can also play around with its size, make it bigger or shorter or smaller. Then just simply click on this option of settings, and here you will be able to find the option of settings. Just click on it and now click on this option of connect payment accounts. Here you need to provide your email address for PayPal, and after that you will be able to connect your PayPal account by verifying your PayPal account on Wix. You can also use Stripe in case if you have the Stripe account, and just click on this option of done. And after that, just open up this particular settings again. Now there are different options provided to us. We can either use Google Tag Manager or redirect after payment in case if you want to redirect your particular buyer or the person who has purchased something from you. In case if you want to redirect them somewhere else after the payment, just simply click on this option. And here you will be provided with this option of URL. Just provide the URL and you would be able to redirect that particular user over there. And you are also provided with the option of autoresponder email. Just simply select it and enable it. After that, you can customize the autoresponder email. Also, like the person will be getting email right after they will be making the payment. You can just simply thank them for purchasing from you, or you can just write it in such a way that they will be impressed with your services and might be able to purchase from you again. So this way, this is how it will work. You can just simply enable it in order to get it done. After that, just make sure that you click on this option of product. Over here, you can customize this particular settings and options. You can provide the product name and the amount and every sort of details regarding the product. So this way you would be able to set it up completely and it is absolutely free. So this is how you accept payments on Wix. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.